done now. This side looks like a brand new. It's much different than before. You see a lot different. Need a little cleaning, let me know. Give me a call and I put the number below it. You see how clean brightness is. You can see my picture before. I'm gonna post it the before picture and after. I'm still on waiting, let it eat it, and then I'm gonna put water spray in. It's gonna be look clean. Thank you guys. This is after, but I still need to clean a little bit. You see before how bad it was. If you guys out there need